Ripple is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ripple analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Ripple, we are now currently looking to test that support level once more. We saw a beautiful test on that 4 hour with this hammer candlestick, and it looks like we were rejected right away with another candlestick retesting that support line. You guys know that I mentioned this in the previous video that the more times the support level is going to be tested, the higher chance of it breaking. So it looks like we will be looking to retest and possibly getting a move to the downside and looking to test that support level at 44 cents. Now, I mentioned to you guys in yesterday's video that if that 44 cents is retested for a third time, the chances of us breaking that level are quite high. Ideally, I would still like to see that test of 36 cents and see whether or not we can hold that level, and then look for a possible long formation to that 56 cents overall resistance. Right now, though, on Ripple, we do look a little bit bearish on the short term. Again, if we can get above this support level and hold that 49.48 level for that consolidation move, it will be short-term bullish, but currently we are trading below the exponential moving averages, and they are pushing lower and lower. We have to be careful before we enter any sort of long positions, because again, on Ripple, we have seen quite a large move, and we have yet to test the major support level of 36 cents. You can see from the previous analysis over here, we did have that breakout formation, but we didn't get that test of that support level, right? We can see that we broke that support, we didn't get that confirmation on that support, and then a continuation. We pretty much broke that level and then continued pushing higher in this massive move to the upside, but we have yet to push that level back down and retest that major level. If you look at it from a 4 hour perspective, we can see that we do have a BART formation, pretty much that massive move. We have this as a BART, and then this would be the continuation back down to that 36 cents, which would line up to our support level and consolidation to the upside. Now, of course, from the bullish case scenario, if we can get above to that level of 49 cents and find that as a retest confirmation, we could be looking for a resistance level of 56 or a massive move to 75 cents, and I'll get that in a bit. But as you guys can see overall on Ripple, though, we can consider this a pretty much a massive move all the way to the highs. We tested that 56, rejected, consolidated, and tried to retake those highs once more, but failed, and now we're consolidating once more. This is still good for the bullish case, because as you guys can see, the bulls are holding very strong on that 47 cents and bears are failing to break up below that level, right? This is extremely good for the short term, but again, the overall perspective is we still have to watch out for this BART formation that the bears might try to take over and actually move to the downside. Now, of course, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see a little bit of a better analysis. You can see that level was tested. We broke that level once. We had a candlestick close right here on this hammer. We had this massive move to the upside, and we were rejected once more. So this whole move was pretty much just a fake out, and now it looks like we are retesting that level and actually looking to break below that 47 cents. Again, if we get that break below on the 1 hour time frame, we can possibly be looking for that shorting opportunity, but we need confirmation before we can do that. Once we get confirmation, only then we can enter a shorting position and then get confirmation to the downside, right? Until then, this is just pretty much noise, right? You don't want to be entering any sort of position here, because we're right on that support level. So in order for us to get that confirmation, it would look something like this, right? Where we see a break, have that consolidation, maybe one wick to the high sets, and then the move to the downside, right? Until then, this could easily just hold as a support level, and you can get trapped in the move to the upside. So be careful about that. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.